这些情上面来呀，你严重上瘾的两个就他这个我个有，俺这天的心里给夹住在干那来呀，因为前面是那个就那么样的做个民族，俺这他这个我个有，俺这天的咱起码你给夹住在，要是不起来了，是这个没，你那前面学完那个都有。
और हमारा दूसरा पॉइंट है कि हमारा ये जो पड़ोसी देश चाइना हमेशा से अरुणाचल को क्लेम करता है कि ये हमारा जमीन है, अरुणाचल हमारा पार्ट है। और हम चाइना को आज ये मैसेज देना चाहता है द पीपुल ऑफ तवांग, हम चाइना जो हमारे अरुणाचल को टारगेट कर रहा है तो उस चीज को हम कंडेम करते हैं।
Hey everyone, this is me Loga, and today I'm here to share with you some of the video clips of the protests recently held in my hometown Spiti. If you guys don't know about the Spiti, Spiti is pronounced as Spiti in Boti or in Tibetan language. It is high altitude region in Himalayas located in the northeastern part of the northern India, state of Himachal Pradesh. The name Spiti means the middle land, and the middle land between Tibet and India. I feel like this is my responsibility to share this with the rest of the people around the world who really don't understand who His Holiness is and what He means to us. And also I'm going to show some of the video clips, and these are the result of senseless disinformation spread by media and some people.
다른 데 지대 사는 가서 베타 비미 상한 내 초에 준 민도 로밤 15초 분줬음 나랑 빠가 통서 아마 통서 빈자 통서 나 진짜로 마중데 뭐에 반요가 깨베니 뭐 시주래가 방금도 단단한 차사서 내가 가발을 쉬어서 내가 가르치서 내가 제라 이 바도가 지수지에 내가 미직 신의 주가 매 시주네래 그래 제네스레 인데 세메슈 인데 시대서 내가 나다와 방법이 지를 배민하는 거네 타네 안에 배지 켜놓고랑 나타를 뺐네 싸완이네 켜 마소 안에 장난을 쉬어들라 띠가고 나고 약보전이 예와 세로나
세상아서 나 저때는데 또 나는 안 줬잖아 성감도 또 나는 안 줬지 못하는 것도 말해 세상아서 나 저때는데 니가 그래 제가 땅거 도망가서 재미가 들까 용것이 했잖아요 띵 상마 이동바상 맞았대 때쪽시 메디나 중간이도 미디어 샤이먼
Emotionally hurt by the fake news that has been circulating around globally. It is understandable to feel disheartened and upset, especially when someone spreads the false information about someone who you hold deep in your heart. It is important to remember that truth always comes to the light eventually. Those people who have spread the false information will be held accountable for their actions. We the Tibetan wants to remind that the people who spread negativity about His Holiness is unbearable. He is everything to us. We are here to support and stand with His Holiness, the great 14th Dalai Lama. We the devotees, followers and supporters all over the world will let the media and the people behind this know that the negativity of fake news will never pull us down. We are strong and we are resilient communities that can overcome this obstacle with grace and dignity. We will raise our voice until the media will apologize His Holiness the Great 14th Dalai Lama. Here I am going to show you some of the people who, after saying the truth, apologize to His Holiness for their initial criticism. And we really appreciate that. We are peaceful and strong with people.
Hey friends, I am Akash Gupta and I run this channel Peep OA. This message is unfiltered, non-edited. I'm saying something which comes straight from my heart. I'm not under any kind of pressure when I'm saying this, but I want to apologize. I want to apologize to all my friends, my sisters, my brothers from Tibet, who have the great regard for His Holiness, the Dalai Lama, the 14th Dalai Lama, on the recent controversy or incident where a child, a young boy, asked for a hug, and His Holiness, the Dalai Lama, was playful with him. The video, when it was shown by media, it was not shown in the entirety. I also am responsible for the misjudgment of the video, which I surely did that.
It was amazing meeting His Holiness, and I think it's a really great experience meeting somebody with such high positive energy. It's a really nice feeling meeting him, and you get a lot of that positive energy.
How important was it for the family to have been blessed by His Holiness?
Can I hug you?
I used to see my mother, who was in her 30s, or other young women in their 20s and teens walking around bare-breast after washing their hairs among men, and men would not even notice them. They would only see at women's breast as source of milk for the babies and nothing sexual. Similarly, I used to play with my grandfather and even with my brothers, touching their heads and nose and playing with their tongues with my tongue. And this was normal play. Similarly now, His Holiness Dalai Lama, who is a grandfather figure, in wide public view with the parents of the child around, was being playful with a child, as he always is playful.
And I hope to be forgiven for my mistake. I'll keep coming.
I'm Sterling Dolkar and I'm studying in class 12 of Upper Tisui School. I'm here to represent as Tisui School. So I want to say that those who are not understanding the real thing and speaking it like another thing, and then they're spreading the false informations. So I think that is real wrong thing.
I've been a follower of His Holiness the Dalai Lama for 30 years now, and I know that this is just a manipulated media.
Hello, Namaskar दोस्तों, I'm here Ujjwal, standing here for Dalai Lama. किसी भी कल्चर को बिना जाने, बिना पहचाने, उसको डिफेम करना, किसी को ऐसे बैकलैश करना, which is very illiterate, and we come from a very liberal country. This is India. We are secular country. यहाँ हम सारे धर्म को मानते हैं, सारे धर्मों की रिस्पेक्ट होती है. हिंदुइज्म, मुस्लिम, why not this? सारे ऐसे बिना किसी चीज को पहचाने क्यों बोला जाता है? यहाँ मीडिया में एक छोटी सी क्लिप अपलोड कर दी गई है, मतलब जिसका कोई तुक नहीं है, जिसका कोई मतलब नहीं है, मतलब which is very nonsense. आप सबको ध्यान देना चाहिए, उसके पीछे जानना चाहिए कि उसका रीजन क्या है. He was blessing a child. If you go through the whole clip, you'll understand what he means. Like he started learning, Dalai Lama started learning English when he was 48 to communicate better. English is his second language, not first. आप लोग बिना कुछ जाने पहचाने उसका कोई मतलब नहीं बनाते हुए, मतलब कुछ भी मतलब उससे निकाल रहे हो. Please, ऐसा मत करिए. I insist. I'm standing here in Majnuka Tila Mark and supporting the Dalai Lama. It's my humble request. Please go and first of all study someone's culture and respect their culture. He was a Nobel Prize winner. ऐसे नहीं मिलता किसी को नोबेल प्राइज। मतलब आप लोगों का तो मतलब कोई रिस्पेक्ट ही नहीं है इस मतलब ही इज ऑल्सो ओल्ड एज, यू शुड रिस्पेक्ट दैट एज वेल। Like I'm very disheartened. I'm a 24 years young fellow of this country, and I'm very disheartened where our country is headed. Please support this, and media, please, we want your apologies.
very much जी, धन्यवाद। तो ये आप देख सकते हैं सीधे तौर पे कहना है कि दलाई लामा जी हमारे जो परम पूज्य धर्म गुरु है और कभी इस तरह के गलत कार्य होने के सकते नहीं, पूरी दुनिया को शांति का संदेश उनके द्वारा दिया जाता है और कहीं न कहीं उन्हें बदनाम करने की साजिश रची जा रही है। जी नमस्कार। जी
नमस्ते
जी,
मैं पेमा गांधी हूँ
जी,
और हम यहाँ इसलिए इकट्ठा हुआ कि हम ये संदेश देना चाहते हैं कि जो अफवाह फैला रहा है वो बंद कर दीजिए, क्योंकि
지금 말아. 근데 민들 삼단다 가지고 주는 것도 경험치 생기지 로가 경험치 콜로 트로즈 진짜 단도부터 굴레 견제 정리비가야 굴레 견제
'उनका ओपिनियन क्या क्या है, फिर उनके मुंह से सुनना चाहूँगा। भैया, आपने कुछ दिन पहले गुरुजी का वायरल वगैरह आपने यूट्यूब वगैरह में सब देखा हुआ है ना? तो आपके विचार से क्या है कि वो जो चीज़ मतलब जो यूट्यूब वीडियो में हुआ है, वो आपका सोच क्या है?
उनको कोई गलत वो नहीं था, गलत इंटेंशन नहीं थी। जैसे बच्चे को प्यार करते हैं बड़े आदमी, कोई उतने बड़े कैमरे लगे हैं उसके सामने ऐसे थोड़ी ना करेंगे कोई। ये भी जो आपके दलाई लामा जी हैं, कोई सुलझे हुए इंसान है, आप लोग इतना वो करते हैं, इनका मान सत्कार करते हैं, तो ऐसा गलत तो काम हमें तो कुछ ऐसा लगा नहीं, उसमें कुछ इंटेंशन गलत नहीं थी। ये तो मीडिया ने बस एक लेके थोड़ा सा क्लिप लेकर उसको बस से
봉도 배발소 찬조 심조 림보체 마게 반남 개교체 개완염 발매바야 보내 봉도 배발소 찬조
나사니 행이 넘버서다 다른 인도 통인지레 넘버서기 angara gyune da lumba khashe chilani da bis march da in chi shara khashe la choshe ra sha choshe ra yo donzo chi shani choshe mara yo do ninje anu khwanzu semshu gyune ani single bis march bi chi sha lan she ra andi sangma ni ru shin ni do this len chi ani nyamdo dokdo chi se ra 근데 아니 다나원도 산에다 데라돈라 중에 비밀든들 아니 세라지에 이 가인라나 가상원도 직 비스마치 데 어디 원도 다 조선시라 라이머 나도 대와라 주고치 원도 개베닝다 디기니 시자 냠도 튀냐니 지라 안 단데사 뱀바들 아니 원도 데라돈 나라 배바 시작 카요교 창마로 아니 정로 지는 시에다 아니네 사뱀바 아니 나도 대돈 라다 시자 다민도 에라 पेशेंट दिगिलिंग दा गेबिनी अनि पुरोला दा खले दा रायपुर राजपुर दा माउ पेशे या क्लेमेंटन मसूरी अनि केराकेम लखनवाला हारपुर दि समय रे बलुवाला अनि दा सिजा हायना nga hamasa kesi ha yena ani number so da su talanchi ne ku je sa pempa de la injinji pero na na she ra nga zo da bismashik chere नंबर ओदिला खंग मामांची फेवंगारा गुनी रेवा योले शेरा अनकुजी ओदिला लेदि सिंबल अनका केन नंबर थामला रेवा योरा अनकुजी अनि Peba an Kang Mamanji Pero Nang Shera, Nam Guni Unzu 10 March la Gebe Gago da Tande, Nedam Bet Koran Logare, and Kenamato Manchi Kengi Ugude, the name the Ankuchi Sultan Semshun Uni, and me Kang Mamanji Pero Nang Shera, and Shimba ni kasa sani da manji habu yugire sani khonsa chuma dilila modi gi ketanji an ma phere an kenama so digala ani susu ngune semba tingni ani shabden da melam da khari ne kuji rewa ya kuji melam changchen di chiro nang na she da chirangi sei ngang zu shisha la ani shabden yure an kenama so digala ni sai nindo jenni soyo an la so tarang